Hi there and welcome. In a standard parallel operation, an actor from each of the different constraints or roles must intervene for the document to advance. An extended parallel state, however, allows a document to advance along separate channels in parallel. The workflow document here can advance from line 02A to 2B without, for example, waiting for line 01A to advance to line 01B, and so on and so forth, or any combination therein. The document only advances to director, however, after the designated users have all intervened in each of those lines. The document is awaiting the intervention of users from lines 1, 2, and 3. To assist in following the parallel progression of the document, I'll display a graphic here with green dots representing where the document is in the process. I've edited out the parts where the users open and forward the document, as I found this to be really distracting. So let's start this off with user A1. Now with user C1. On to user C2. Now is user C3, B1, A2 here, and finally B2. As you can see, the document advanced to director red only when all of the users from each of the different lines intervened in turn.